Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. So today I am going to be pulling the greenhouse out of the garage, and then I'm going to start moving plants in it. Anything that is cold tolerant, that can that's a perennial that I'm growing indoors, I'm going to move it out to the greenhouse to let it like continue on its growth journey. I need to free up some room inside because I've got a lot more things to get sown and I need the space. So if anything that's perennial or cold tolerant, it could just be in the greenhouse and be just fine. I'm putting the greenhouse up a little, like a month earlier than I did last year. Last year I believe I had it up in April. This year I am pulling it out a little bit earlier so that it can be used earlier. And I've got a lot of perennial stuff that can just go out there. I want to get my sweet peas sown, and I'm going to sow them directly in that greenhouse. So yeah, it's going to be, hang on, look at this. What do you want? Can I please talk to the camera without you jumping all over the place? You're my buddy. You're my buddy. Okay. Anyways, so that's what I'm gonna work on today. But before we get started, I want to show you guys something that I snagged on Facebook Marketplace for free. So excited. So there was someone giving away bags and bags of canna tubers. So I went and I got 2 bags. Look how big and juicy this is, you guys. Just the most biggest chunk I have ever seen of a canna tuber. And I did not go all the way through the bags yet because I don't have anywhere to plant them just yet. I'm going to put them directly in the pots that they're going to be in for the summer. Some of these might be directly sown in the ground. I'm not sure yet, but I've got to figure that out because I want to get these started. And I think that starting them and having them in the greenhouse would be perfect, because I definitely won't be able to keep them in the house in anything that is big enough to fit those tubers. So anyways, let me show you what else I got. So over here, we've got 2 big banana trees. And they had more banana trees that they were giving away, but I only grabbed 2 because I was just kind of like, I haven't dealt with this type of situation before, so I wasn't quite sure how or where to get them started or what to do with them yet. I'm gonna do some research and see if I should just pop them up or just put them straight in the ground. But anyways, so let's get on with the rest of the video. I'm gonna go get my greenhouse out. So let's go out here to the garage. This is where it is. I'm so excited about this. I cannot wait to get my stuff going outside. All right, so here's the garage. And what I'll have to do is move everything from around it. So there it is right there. I've got to get everything off of it so that I can carry it out the garage door. Don't mind, our garage is a wreck. It is full of stuff and we have to call for a bulk pickup. Anyway, so yeah, so I'm gonna move all this stuff out of the way, and then once I'm ready to move it, I'll open the garage and then carry it down. Yeah, it's a lot because I've kind of just threw everything in that corner over there. So I'm gonna have to really do some digging. I think I'll move all of that stuff over here. So let's go ahead and get started. So the greenhouse is all put together. Yay! Now I can start sowing some things in there and start moving things out of the house so that I can make room, because I haven't started my tomatoes yet, and I'm gonna need space for the tomatoes. And then I have some more flower seeds that I need to sow. Actually, I'm getting ready. I either sow the other flowers today or tomorrow. I'm not sure. But anyways, the greenhouse is up. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I bought that greenhouse from Aldi's last year. It's not anything special. You can probably find it at many of the big box stores. And I'm trying to think. I think it was about 40 to 50 bucks. So yeah, and they usually have greenhouses every year at Aldi. So if you want to wait and see if yours gets those, you can, or you can just look online. I know they have a lot on Amazon and some really nice ones. Amazon has really, really nice greenhouses on there. And I almost bought one from there before I bought the one from Aldi. But anyway, all right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.